Hello again, and welcome to my messy shirt attire for the day. So, as you know, I've gotten the Harley Benton HBD-120 BK. Or, sorry, maybe it's actually the HBK 120CE BK. I probably am pronouncing that wrong. So, anyways, it's the Harley Benton Dreadnought Cutaway in black, and it is also a acoustic electric. In the following video, you will hear mic'd samples of the guitar. In the first section, you're going to hear my Sennheiser PC350's microphone, 100% level through the Asus Sonar DX sound card, recording in stereo with 192 kbh bitrate, or pretty much almost one of the highest settings you can get. And that'll be actually sitting in front of the acoustic. There won't be anything else other than that. So in this section where it's actually recording like this, it is actually going to be loud than the latter section of stuff. Also, I will be playing both fingertips, so finger picking-esque style, and I will also be using the Dragonheart pick. I can't remember what model this is because I was nicely given it by Blackjack. But either way, for some reason, this Blackheart pick compared to a chicken pick seems to sound more natural with an acoustic guitar or acoustic strings, so that's why I used it. So again, Sennheiser PC350 headphone, directly sitting in front of the sound hole, the acoustic, with the mic boost on 100% level, so pick up the actual what the acoustic sounds like when you're not playing it amplified. And again, that was probably, it was just sitting in front of me here on the desk with the mic pointing towards the sound hole. So I would say that's probably about a foot away that's getting picked up. The latter part of this video, it will feature same thing, mic boost off, and placed about 8 inches away from the speaker on the Viper VIP 2 amp. The preamp itself, all the EQ settings are flat. The preamp's volume itself going into the Viper is set for 2/3 volume, which in turn is why it probably sounds a little bit lower. Not to mention, I didn't want to put mic boost on because I've had it in the past actually totally just distort the hell out of the recorded sound, so you're going to hear the actual amp itself at about its master at 4, and you're going to hear both, again, fingertipped and picked. Then the last, I believe it's 1 minute and 18 seconds at the end of the video, is actually going to be the same thing, except I'm actually going to turn the preamp volume totally 100% up on the acoustic, and I'm just going to bank it into one of the random 4 acoustic presets on the Viper VIP. Just kind of do a little noodling around just to give you an idea on what it sounds like. So that said, I hope everyone's doing well. I hope everybody enjoys this video, and thank you for watching, and again, hope everyone's doing well, and I look forward to hearing your comments, no matter how good or bad I did. So with that said, off to the sound clips as follows. Bye for now.